Import large point clouds into BricsCAD Pro and use BricsCAD tools to filter unnecessary points and create a workable tin surface. After importing the point cloud, you can create a tin surface. The software will process the point cloud and offer filtering options to simplify the surface as you need. BricsCAD Pro can create tin surfaces from large files by intelligently filtering points at similar elevations based on user-defined parameters. This allows you to remove any unnecessary points. This also allows large point clouds to be used without compromising on the accuracy of the final model. Once you have a suitable tin, you can continue to perform analysis such as elevation and slope analysis or water drop analysis to determine water flow across the terrain. BricsCAD Pro gives you the power to create workable tin surfaces for a project without the worry of performance issues that large point clouds can bring.